Alright guys, so yesterday we received a new email, probably if you are already enrolled to DJI, that the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is already there in stock. What was written was that is back. Now we will talk with like the makers of this, so there are representatives from the DJI company who is going to talk about that what has changed on the Phantom 4 Pro. Because as you know, earlier in the channel we did talk about how this Phantom 4 Pros were not coming in stock, and they are back again. That's a very good news. Big fan of Phantoms. Why? Because the Phantoms have a 1-inch sensor, has got higher dynamic range in colors and everything. That is the reason a lot of us, we were expecting Phantoms. Also, when you compare the lineup, if you are doing videography from a boat or anything, these were easy to launch because it has legs and everything, so it was easy to launch from your hand. So the Phantom 4, like literally you could have like lifted it up with your hand and you could have landed just by holding the legs of it. That's what's made Phantom 4's Phantom 4s. Now let's go and ask, what was the delay all about? Why was there like for a year and a half no Phantoms? What are the new guidelines that they are following? So we have Michael out here. Michael, hey, my name is Das. Welcome back to the channel. I think we talked last year also in the channel. Yeah. So Michael, we were pretty excited about the Phantom being back, so thank you for bringing the Phantom 4 Pro back. I think one of the best tools for consumer videography, consumer photography also is a Phantom. Yes. I think a lot of people are excited because it has legs that you can actually catch or hold on to. Yep. Because when we were doing like videos in boats and everything,
absolutely,
it was very hard to catch a Mavic. That's where the Phantom also comes into play. So the question is, what took DJI so much of time, or what sort of stuff they did add for this coming few years to make this back?
Great question. We literally brought the same version that we had before back to market. Okay. And the reason why there was a delay in the supply chain was a couple of our partners who made some critical components for this product stopped making those components, and we only sourced the best. So it took us a number of months to be able to find replacement parts providers, but now we're back up and running again, and so this product is in stock on shelves today.
So we are going to take that back, that prediction which was made by 6 of our viewers and 3 of our main pilots that Phantom 4 Pro might not be back. So that is taken back already in the channel because it is back, and here it is. Finally, one of the the original looks, the way we love drones. DJI already knows about it. They will never compensate with any sort of quality, and that is the reason it took you guys a little bit of time to come in back. And thank you, Michael.
You're very welcome.
We're looking more forward to this.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of CES.
Bye.
All right.